From the freshness of the sea to the warmth of the clay pot, fish curry is where flavor meets soul. Tangy with tamarind, rich with coconut, spiced to perfection. Fish curry is a celebration of flavors in every bite. I'm in Kerala, and when you are in the land of the sea and my hometown, never miss a chance to eat the fresh ones. Today's special is Vatta Meen Curry, that is Trevally Fish Curry. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. Here we have fresh Trevally fish, also called Vatta Meen. As usual, the cleaning process is done by adding a little rock salt and washing it properly 3 to 4 times until the water runs clear. Then marinate with half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Rub and mix it well over the fish pieces. I had already soaked the lemon-sized tamarind in water, so I added a little tamarind water to the fish, mixed again and kept it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Our cute meerkat smells the fish and meows, so we gave her her favorite food. She eats only cooked and bland food, so we started preparing hers in parallel. She has to wait for that. As the fish pieces marinate, let's keep the needed things ready. We need a few curry leaves, one medium-sized onion, an inch of ginger, 3 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, and 8 to 10 garlic cloves. We'll cut everything except the ginger and garlic, which we will pound in a pestle. Fresh ginger and garlic always gives a wonderful flavor to the curry. I'm glad you're watching my video. Do share your valuable comments, give a like, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to Simply Grace's Kitchen. The pan goes on the stove. When it gets hot, add coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil because it tastes the best. Pour about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, drop in a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add the sliced onions and slit green chilies. Stir well until they turn translucent. On the other burner, we also cook dal and raw banana curry. Now let's add the ginger garlic paste to the fried onions. When the raw smell disappears, I added the sliced tomatoes. And of course, we can't avoid our flavoursome curry leaves. Add some of those too. Stir and stir. That's part of most cooking. When the tomatoes become tender, we'll add the marinated fish. Here I felt the curry vessel needed to be a little bigger, so I shifted to another one. Now I'm adding the remaining soaked tamarind water. Give it a nice stir so the tamarind mixes well. Don't forget to check the salt and adjust to your taste. Then close it and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring in between. Here it's boiling well. Just checking the taste. Why only the gravy? I thought. Let's try a piece itself. The salt, tamarind and chili are all perfect. Give it a gentle swirl, not with a spoon at this stage as the fish pieces may break. Now it's almost done. Let it simmer for another minute. Add a few curry leaves and as a final touch, drizzle a teaspoon of coconut oil. Switch off the stove. There, our Trevally fish, that is Vatta fish curry, is ready. The flavor of the coconut oil stands out beautifully. And our Mia Pucha, that is our cat, got her share. Look at her, enjoying her food slowly. You won't believe she eats only the flesh and leaves the bones. And here, no food is complete without papad or pappadam. So we fried some papads. I love the puffed ones.
അത് പൊങ്ങി അങ്ങനെ പൊങ്ങണം. എടുത്തോ.
One went straight into my mouth right away. Here is the dal curry, our trevally or butter fish curry, and the papad.
ഓക്കെ തമ്മിൽ ഓക്കെ.
And wait, a banana leaf is tradition. Whenever we are in Kerala, my in-law makes sure to cut fresh banana leaves as you see here. We wash the leaves properly. These days, it rains almost every day, with short breaks in between. And how beautiful it is to enjoy a meal with the family on a banana leaf during such a rainy day. We spread the leaves on the table one by one and served each dish. We all relished it, especially me, as I love eating on a banana leaf. These are the simple joys, cooking together and eating together. And when it's with your own family, the joy is unlimited. Hope you all liked watching my simple yet love-filled, flavor-filled cooking. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. See you all with a new video. Until then, happy cooking and take care.